Hey everyone, in this video, I'll teach you how to download GB WhatsApp on your iPhone and welcome to Tutorials by David. So first, a quick note, GB WhatsApp is a modified version of WhatsApp so it's not officially on the App Store. This means you'll need to download it from a third-party sources and it may come with risks like account bans or security issues. So to get started, open your iPhone browser and search for a trusted GB WhatsApp iOS download site. Follow the instructions carefully. Usually, you'll need to install a configuration profile on your phone to allow the app to run. Once installed, open GB WhatsApp and verify your phone number just like the official WhatsApp. You can now access extra features like themes, custom privacy settings, and more. Remember, because it's unofficial, it's a good idea to back up your chats from regular WhatsApp first. Also, use it cautiously to avoid security risks or account issues. And that's it. You now know how to download and set up GB WhatsApp on your iPhone.